And now, thoughts from the editor. This week's featured editorial board writer is the executive editor of the Merced Sun-Star, Michael Tharp.
The reaction in Merced County, in the north part of the San Joaquin Valley in Merced, to the May revised budget is kind of reminiscent of a line of a Creedence Clearwater song that was popular not too many years before Jerry Brown had his first term, "Clouds of mystery pouring, confusion on the ground." People aren't really quite sure what to make of the May revised budget. They're not in a panic mode, local officials. They say they're more in a strategic mode. Local health care services, Merced College, our community college, and the redevelopment agency are the three main sectors that will be affected by whatever happens in the May revised budget, whether it passes the legislature. As far as health agencies, some of them would see their services significantly reduced, others would see them expand. In the plan, Brown proposed cuts to eliminate more than 40 boards and commissions in the healthcare area, and the Merced County Human Services Agency says it would see significant reductions under the May revised budget. There'd also be several changes to how Medi-Cal and a program called Healthy Families would be structured, and that would cause changes. The good news is that the mental health department for the county would see gains if the revised budget goes through the legislature. And managed care programs and children's programs would grow dramatically under the proposed budget, our local officials have told the Sun-Star reporters. Merced College, our community college, students have already found out that they're going to have to pay more per unit for classes, $36 a unit, up from $26, and up to maybe 1,000 applicants may not get in under the stricter budget. It's still, of course, conjecture because it hasn't passed the legislature, but the college is worrying about the impact. The redevelopment agency for the city of Merced has tried to avoid some of the possible cutbacks in Brown's budget by simply changing its name. It's not the redevelopment agency anymore, it's something else, and they finessed a new set of rules to try to keep about 27 projects on the drawing board, keep them underway. That includes major improvements on Highway 59 through the county, and also a major entertainment complex in downtown Merced. The good news for Governor Brown, according to a recent poll, is that Californians overwhelmingly agree with his proposal for a special election to extend temporary taxes and help erase the budget deficit. The bad news for him is that those same voters are not nearly as enthusiastic about the plan itself. They want a chance to vote on their own in the tried and true California way through the initiative process. But this all hinges, of course, on the legislature in Sacramento, and as the late journalist and columnist Molly Ivins once described the Texas state legislature as the national laboratory for bad government. Thank you very much.
If you would like to share your thoughts about the points and opinions expressed in the Maddy Report, visit our website at valleypbs.org/Maddy. The Maddy Report is brought to you through a production partnership of KC24 and Valley PBS, proudly working together with the Maddy Institute to provide the San Joaquin Valley with valuable analysis and insight about public policy issues.
This has been the Maddy Report. Thanks for joining us.